This is, by the way, at around 25% load. I'm gonna shut up. I do have the dishwasher running, so but even then, look how low it is. 62, 63. God damn, that's quiet. All right. The only thing that's noisy here is me, so go get yourself an inverter generator. It's worth it. That's about 25%. Oh shit, never mind. I was gonna do a 25% test at 21 feet, but never mind. Champion 201 407. As you can see, it's about 90% load, 100% load now, and it's pretty noisy right now. Right next to it, we're gonna go 21 feet. Oh, it's raining shit. This looks up about 21 feet. 82 decibels. We're gonna go inside. Remember, the 100%. Averaging about 68 decibels, which is good. My 8-month-old, you know, I got it right underneath the patio here. My 8-month-old is sleeping right above this generator. You know, don't worry, she's got carbon monoxide detectors everywhere. I have 6. Okay, no need to worry. Yeah, she can sleep through it. I mean, it's 70 decibels, you know, at full load. Can't beat that. That's why you buy an inverter generator, for efficiency and quietness.